Mediana Brasset. I think last week or so, Sakawa boy be ever program Subeka say on your Sakawa ni. Bushaba bontin baba expose no or say nya no kreda. Ama chere say say me bless see na I think say finally on ankasa ba e ba confess nti ebusianfo yenko ne yenko hwe the rate at which yen youth no sebe ni SB ebrade no yenko ne yenko hwe interview no.
It is a mon set mic in the man wire now. Mon send it in the post channel, mon mic in the man sana. This is Vision 1 FM 935 megahertz. Patrick, I'm saying my body natural. Sometimes no, we are programmer. Maybe at that particular time, maybe you will not listen until we be fraka choose what he say, and then what say or no one can no more some say no see can't some ne pair. And also reactions we are also here intimate on pay.
93.5 FM.
Last reaction now who play that was in draft.
Yeah, on phone. Yeah,
he made an allegation say me matter catch Miguel. Reverend, I live in a single room. I've been living in that same single room for the past 9 years. Obi ameti single room. Me didn't talk about Miguel. How? Reverend, Uba say Ube Samia, a choir of the first one by Biamete. Ukrabe. You wonder how I'm able to pass through that place and come here every day. So, how? Me didn't talk about Miguel. Fine, no problem. Nika Semuno, recording no play, you know. Or can we say, baby, I call you know. So far so say one castle the week or baby in here no tunchen. Osaka say your boy is 5. Any call baby anguneni
Obabio.
Yeah, Obabio. And boys no ye baby abodam. Ebi musu life I basa.
Obo so who crofokro.
You should mention their names.
Okay.
Because me now for minimum as I said the last time. Minimum shots here. Everybody is alive. Everybody. Ever since I mean so.
Only share there I see.
Like I started with them like minimum area. Everybody is alive.
Ebi ni ahwan.
Ose.
Ebi ahwan.
Oh. Sena in 7 months after issue no. Edini we mention no me. I don't want to mention somebody's name Edibia.
So one person so body, to so bo nyankufo na woni omo nante no. No so nchire nipa ono so ka.
So I should mention all of them.
Yeah, we now for woni omo shase right from the word go. Any baby amabedu.
Oh. Like I say yaw. Yaw. I can't say. But could be a friend Abolo no say oh UK is here.
Abolo.
That was his nickname. Your friend.
Okay.
Akusie Chan.
Okay.
Na we Rosé na all kind of.
Rosé.
That's done.
Okay.
Raymond.
Rosé na ebusuye kano oye wadanfo.
Yeah, like
okay.
Yeah, oye madanfo.
Okay.
Na Raymond. Yeah,
Raymond, the all US no.
David.
Transford the all US no.
David okay. Germany. And now also. Everybody is alive.
And how is
Obi alive in your
basa.
Obi alive in your basa.
Okay, very well. Ian Twaso, what are some of the points Obeso signed the count? Na me we am ababusia so.
Ono say Billboard ne buto me so no.
It is not normal.
It's not normal. Ghana ha. Billboard. I'm not the only person at Billboard when you have Billboard accident. a lot of people had billboard accident.
Example.
Last
93.5.
3 years. And last 4. I can't quite remember. Like last 3 years or last 4 years. Moving pick. Opposite. Almost see some new tower be. Like some new building be or no more. Na woman or your way. Or ton or your trader. And like construction or no more. Any more no more obe I say na pavement so one of the nyama be to or ton there. Tell you na on any ba na e ba ho.
Okay.
But that day na I say ni ba ni sun too much nti ojani ba ni mo bi. So say sometimes construction companies some here construction ah omo mounted billboard ebia the kind of building project yeah. That kind of people, the buto woman also.
Okay, very well.
At first she died.
Okay.
And moreover, me issue billboard case, you know, it was negligence on the part of the company, because according to security man now, gate not billboard no a chair, a yato from the da, and they told the company about home fee, and now unlucky for me, you know, that day me quit you and me go far. That day from a CB boy, nice and super better. From one boy and by Sunanto. Unfortunately, me go found a butom so. A butom is no. The company came back, erected the billboard. It fell again. They came back, erected the billboard again, and I saw from twice.
Billboard near bone.
A woman, no. Almost a page 2 times. Then you top from. And then no one come back day.
Child mystery.
Say and kwa. Nah, they were because. According to security man no say omo buy a omo erective billboard no billboard can see na mo the cement bag half and e hu adwuma. So all ka say billboard enye kwa accident see all the time.
Okay, ma membra
eya Reverend Pacho baby o say me call ye no anwini on chair baby a me call ye de me call ye
okay
ene o say man fans our body and container. On chance our body as a medical.
Quickly, Abusha Yana Nafe Memo Namisa questions. Yeah, me too.
And Penny Fosse. So also, Mammy will not, Mammy will not what that. At the Echinans will be a could chop money on my walk school. Any behavior so my madam pa. Dear cousin, me could fear Martin can farm home. Papa Homaso. And you know, didn't know. Name of the Yentra. So, Papa Homaso.
Minim, but what are you in some no?
Me ya no ba, me ka ni twi, no ti twi ni ye. Okodi adu no nyom ne ne koye. Ma me ne ba no. Me ni di nkombo, ona ka kire me, bibia boy se ba wo na. Ransford no kana 7. Ransford ka bobi, ama ni pa ni wu flat.
Ransford na da fu no boni di.
Yeah, oboni di Ransford na no contact wo no.
Yeah.
O de ka bobi ni pa ni wu flat.
Kasagu mic ni mame.
Ni pa ni wu flat. E wo adwen na brante no. Pick from one wa.
Or the
club and John Machi.
Okay.
No, mamma, no, one could trouble their mamma and yes, I did no. Later, mamma contact mamma and the bammy free. The boys are calling down him. Short as here.
93.
And I mean, you know, yes, so I don't need Dragon apart or the 2 call Germany. A drawer and a swap, honestly, the boys will be the corner, one quite saying, Koye.
Why a drawer? And your friend a drawer, no, yeah. Oh, mate, on day Patrick Moko.
They say only little boys will be called, and it's only my drawer. Okay. Me castle they call it. Me say only little boys will be called.
The same woman.
The same woman.
Okay. So a drawer no way is here.
So, boy, now
a drawer over here.
I don't know, maybe the last time in shot, maybe 3 years ago.
Now see him Koye, Chese, Okase Bibim Koya.
Oh, Samuel. Me castle in Koya. My men are Casepi. I catch them, Mr. Obama, Minuana Bodam. Yes. I didn't know me about them. I see me Nuano and Nabe Juma. Promise one for fail, promise no. I'm out for so don't baba and so no. Almost a day now, I said, one fine, one farmer. So, me speaking all these things, you know. Munkacha Blanty said, Sebi, and Yemen, I met you in a call fast or the body block cry. Oh, no more papa or club or boom. Oh, me there be a. Oh, make us have a control. Mamma can say, you'll be a club. Mamma can say, I will go out. Patrick, I don't know.
Oh, we are memoir.
And try me trying now, police in Chime. You can take me to court. I'm ready for it. I hope person will bomb me because I'm covered. I'm telling the truth. If you can't, I say, ultimately, and send me MPA because of the court issue, and send me to me MPA. She recording all kind of ultimately send me MPA because of the court issue. See, Raven, I'm here for Ghana Bay. I have an agenda to do. It's not about Patrick doing this and this and this. Or I can't call Nana Sema. Me dem ni nya sembia. Wa kan no kra ono na sema. That is it. Mama no muguzu ni kasa na mama na go be simpa pa ba aba bonus of boss wa ba nchen a ono na yes wo ya adwuma. Tell me si nya abotre no. Me nu ye wie so ni ye.
Okay, meba nya abotre. Yesterday me ni Patrick didi nkomo bebre. Ambasa me twanitia but it seems say obasa me say open up. This is Vision 1 FM 93.5 megahertz. Patrick, Ose the amount call Droso, your phone a is that not it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. And now we because now your idea will near my tie.
Aye.
Okay.
Clash of the Titans.
It will phone the bay account and of course a okope. Now, but your okope or wine.
Actually, boy be now like in now it's a damn one. I'm not sure say. Or no, a chair be SethEkow. And they call woman ho.
Oh, they are all call your phone once your bar.
Patron.
Okay, that's fine. And you acquire eventually nipa wafa phone.
Patron.
Okay. And what happened?
Who nipa on the boy denied it.
Say no.
Aye.
Okay. Not getting the CH.
And the CH said the woman became angry.
So Ebusua is talking about a woman. You are also talking about a woman. Which part of Ghana and as a woman now can want some more?
What's your eastern region?
Or eastern region. Okay. Ebusua also ni pano here.
Maybe there. Me too, me. Abraham to me today. I'm working on the evidence. Man, can you because one thing they say. Abraham to also chi Halanda da me dan ase. No, maybe me say won pie me buni pa. No. You can't grab interview and the whole family will be here talking. No. I respect you. No, I respect you.
Abusua.
Nana, I respect you. No. Let the man go out. I respect it.
Abusua.
Oh, Nana, me sorry, me respect you pa. Me respect you. Somewhere I found a home.
Your microphone is off. Sit down.
And put you
sit down and keep quiet, Abusia. Mese. Sit down and keep quiet. Abusia. Why and a tone in Safro?
About your wa. Me sorry.
Why the two on Safro? Is it not me?
You, but what are you talking behind there?
Sotie, I will tell them to keep quiet, but I don't have the right to walk them out. That is not your duty.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
I mean to us, Mama Pacho, Muya Sana was structured on Munya. Why? Now, men to number one. No, Patrick, you baby. What call you pan off, sir, on show, mobile phone, but okasa mu no after say otimi fish out say aso esi na obenti na fa phone no nipa ni deny sa aye voice na boy na no o sa so kire mu say o proceed to another place okay bibi sa o sa ko be fufuro eno na yen
it was the same place
eastern region hono
the same place like woman no hono mo
okay
first place no I said next door. I said nanti like walking distance.
And alcohol. Acquire
and they say and you mean kwana me call many boys in the call.
And a coy. And I'm acquire day.
We call share phone.
Okay.
Say boy need deny.
Okay.
Say you no of our phone.
Okay.
So we went to another place to confirm it. And then maybe I call no. And so you call the same thing a woman can.
The man you know and I'll call Musu Bisa.
That's right.
Oh, call Musu for consultation.
Aye.
Now, a mumu diahi and not a tail.
Second woman
and a tail.
Aye.
Yesterday me no kasaroka say first woman na unim say so ye bosomfo and whatever. Anya bia no second person not tete won so na unim so ye bosomfo.
Dabi.
Na unim so ye di adwuma.
Oh, so far as I me say no boy na de me call no the catch for me. Say omo you be like bibi ra. Oba ko bisa like you ask.
Okay.
O call ha no wa hwehwe no hu nipa kra. Ofa wa de no.
E no tete o.
Pachai.
Okay. Say tete no tete won sa ho ne ade no. Dear inti no tete o, the reason no tete o you saying.
Reverend some me catch on ra. Say it was due to ebia boni o si obi person oye me. And now moreover so na o se me tie yare. The nkola brim na e was say ade bia ye man nkola like or the dobe the dobe so say den ya nye bia mame ntina me tie yare and it was true to doing that time na me tie yare. Then that
nkura brim.
Na as that now say na bibi o say me nkola brim ye wo me ne ye mame. By anye inti e can say na me tie yare. And then that was the reason why it's here. I mean, those are the two reasons until yes.
First reason here then.
To protect me from like any bad thing that is going to happen.
From who?
Guy now can say or father. According to him, you know, say the guy has an evil plot.
And to protect you.
Yeah, or
yeah, drona manua bon by.
Yeah, so that if in case the guy does anything
okay, into Obano or to tell hini.
Just my mensa.
Onsa.
Patron.
What you are Betty?
Patron if I have it.
Oha.
And yet we showed about like.
What you will say? You say ne hane waha.
They be about baby back up.
What you baby back up. And once on white tattoo no.
Patron.
To cover up into Tiano.
Yeah, unse. Mimi ya no. I did like. And yet bonus on a media.
Okay.
So I had a clear and most of my friends saw it. Cause me and most of them saw it, like cause when him say and yeah the bonity, I wasn't hiding it. So most of them saw it and most of them knew about it. Almost because I mean almost all my friends into you do time be now I quite to say like me betiti the man me tattoo no say na oh yeah
okay cow what to tell now to team
me titi and betiti sama like mark ne be
okay
expand here
okay a brain into yen what kind of game Nana will play on internet
game and play
yeah if Odiano now so want me and carry as a froster now Odiano again.
Reverend, I told you about it yesterday. No, I told you about it yesterday, so I don't know why.
Material phone into Bessa
Reverend.
And I do okay, I mean, come on. Let's say, the okay, and I mean, come on.
Reverend, I told you, say yes. I was doing it.
You were doing what?
Browsing now,
okay.
Yeah, I was doing it.
What do you doing?
But what me the then say?
Oh, browser, what do you doing?
Says Kana Minyano.
Yeah.
Oh, at that time, no. Like I said, that was what I used in putting myself through university. Can I make catch up? I told you.
Oh, browser, and the school. Now they are sure who are university. Yes, sir.
Patron.
Quite bad now, first of all, tell me. When I'm not impressed about that tangent, I wanted to cut everything short. But I'm some of Jumaya Dane. So you're going to
who say me catch us said me and me catch us yesterday.
Yeah.
I told you so I wanted to cut this issue short.
By doing what?
Because I'm tired coming here.
You wanted to cut this issue off by doing what?
By telling you the truth.
Okay.
And then just asking him the question that I wanted to ask.
So I was thinking, say, even the boy voice now, voice need indicate say, one gaso no do ko edrosuno and ka obey the honorable thing.
Maybe oka say oka one fine enu dan cheni.
Patrick,
same two no
let me put it straight to you. Now you credit card. And I would the niema online, yes sir. Now more website movie sa credit card no meboa. ɛna saa website no munya saa credit card na according to what some kind say data system no menyɛ saa na data system na yɛ sɛ credit card no is in existence and therefore mutumi de tɔ ɛyɛ perfumes mutumi de tɔ ɛyɛ nneɛma ɛte saa then you come and sell them and I asked a follow-up question say sɛ wɔsɛ wodeɛ no ɛnyɛ sɛ wodi for ne nkurɔfoɔ deɛ a ɛneɛ na what it means is wodeɛ no kyerɛ sɛn and you gave me a terminology what can I say
Reverend, see,
you gave me a terminology what
I
can
told
say
you the most important thing right now is me you know you say like what customer can natural but the main thing is
so what can you crash me what can you crash me off air you are not here to please me nor my listeners and now the catch now say obi no ne ho say saa de we me nye biem saa de we me my power me hochi I use my life as an example for you time and because me jam in question dia me di no anytime I sit on radio I mention them for people to know say baby omo so akwa koduru bia wa abrabo mu no ewurade betumi age won if you lie before men there will be a timer ewurade on hwe wanim because nyame on patro enka mepa enka no anka me ba asema oka yin ma bagdom pa ni makaguo but once you say you will apologize I told it why I say that is the honorable thing you have to do because say we use visa card we use whatever card to defraud people to get money to buy things on the internet wabra obi company no bie any bottom scan or dey bie one kan chiro sefa and wafa akwa say me no tuwe na mobile phone yi media na opo so fa phone yi na one kan chiro no wafa wa anyhow you put it it's a chrono
Reverend Mepiso
because it is not only you people are also doing in the same game
Vision 1
ebi mo dwumegu na ebi mo su so even if Crampono one call a draw say wo internet phone or whatever you are doing no ye ma ona nye sika sebi so obi abia dwuma no afa kwati kwan ni wagyi wa wi store ni mu niema abeto wadi a it's a curse and that is why you must be remorseful that is why you must show remorse stop thinking about the court case because it will do disservice to you stop thinking about those that are providing food for you now pre-wonkwa take it from me pre-wonkwa in as much as I'm telling you this court yanka spiritual things were so the physical aspect is there any court of competent jurisdiction yeah obeka issue way say Billboard a physical thing and the law must take its course no two ways about that but we are dealing with the spiritual aspect and that is why we are here today we can draw chira mamia eye wawasem we can draw chira me eye wawasem we can draw chira busu eye wasem we can draw chira tifo eye wasem we can draw chira me eye wasem we can draw chira tifo eye wasem we can draw chira yanadofo eye wasem se nipa nyina kase obia power na urade se me wo wafa you can walk again and nipa nyina kase we are going to contribute $35,000 yanko your surgery na urade kase me ni wafa you will lose your life I'm telling you if you speak the truth will set you free urade de kanipa koma mani pabuo nipa so nyame wanka obi akoma unimu wo that is the reason why now wofo ni nyina no awofo ka kire so mo so mbebo ni nyina no o ma reject o man fam one man maybe that is not the way the person you know the ball is in your court tell me whatever you want to tell me
Vision 1
me there's a say I met me can say initial stage you know questions be I will be saying you know I agree say I wasn't straightforward with you and Even in some instances, I lied about some of the questions you asked.
It's number one.
And for that, I'm really sorry to the listeners. And I apologize to them, to God, and to you. But I want them to know whatever I did was in the past. I'm sorry about that and whatever I did. But first then I'll be some questions now. It wasn't my intention to lie or something like that, because I wasn't expecting the questions you asked. And me being on radio for the first time, knowing about about over millions of people listening, and I was about to answer very sensitive questions about myself.
How? Patrick, I share your pain. Only that is the reason why questions you have been to me, so I want to keep them. Maybe Facebook comments. Sometimes I know the answer, but I want to put them out there because we have a future. No matter your situation, you must walk again. Mamemfa akonya we so empa metiefo nyina achew emfa ma Patrick. Even though he lied, but the most important thing is wakano krene. We should learn to forgive him.
For Ajiminsem, in Saja Winston, just say finally, what to measure to say why baby sir. I mean, I don't say. Indeed, young Fasakunya was not young boys and I. Yes, and yes, you see, no. You're very, very careful. You're very, very, very careful. You're very, very careful. You're very, very careful with that. T. Already, yes, when Sharamuna on Yam Cassia. Your best answer is Shabu. Peace. Shalom. I love you all.